Okay, if your Honda makes this noise on a cold morning startup, watch this. Check this out. I'm gonna show you guys what the problem is, and it's an easy $15-20 fix. We got inside this bag here, we got 2 seals in this package. Okay, it's orange and black seal. The orange one goes here, the other one goes right there. So it's gonna be a simple little job. They're different sizes, so you can't go wrong. So when I got a pick and a 10mm, so very simple. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna just turn this counterclockwise. We're gonna remove this little bolt, and we're gonna start off this low pressure line here. So what's gonna happen is this bolt is gonna come out. After that, you're gonna just simply twist this, and you see the fluid comes out. That's normal, that's fine. As you can see, this O-ring is green. It's not supposed to be green before you start the engine, and if you're lucky, it's not gonna make any noise. So it's very simple. Make sure the surface is clean. Little bit of this power steering fluid, just put it around the O-ring. This O-ring fits in there perfectly. Okay, look how simple that is. And this baby goes on. You should feel like a little snap, like the ring just snapped right in, just like that. And after that, you're gonna take your 10mm bolt. You're gonna put that baby on. No need torque specs, nothing like that. I do have another video on this with all the torque specs and everything. But just hand tight, nice and gentle. It should be good. Let me wipe my hands off. There's no high pressure in it, even though we say this is low pressure, this is high pressure. Right now, there's no pressure in this baby because it only builds pressure as it turns, okay? And then as soon as you shut it off, the pressure is immediately. So this 10mm comes off over here. And we're gonna simply replace this O-ring. That's fine, okay? And there you go. Like I said, a little bit of mess. There's our line there, and I will figure that out once I edit the video. But this O-ring right here, it feels kind of soft, but it's fine. But this had to go, and it looks kind of squarish. That's what I was telling you. These O-ring seal. That's what I mean. So very gently, you don't want to just over pull it, and you don't want to stretch the seal, and it sits right in that groove. Now all I'm doing is pushing it back on nice and straight, and this baby will just go right in. Okay, there you go. Got my 2 bolts here that we took off, the 10mm. Do not drop these. What you want to do is you want to go gently on one, and then go on the second one. Snug them in nice and even. Do not over tighten them. You will snap these bolts, and then you're gonna have to replace the whole pump. But there you go. Bada bing, bada boom. We're all done and set to go. So once it's all completed, what you want to do is you want to pick up this Bacardi Honda Acura fluid. There's a number here. It's 252-0020. 252-0020. Okay, it's probably gonna like 15 bucks, 12 bucks, probably less, I'm not sure. But what we want to do is you want to top this off halfway, okay, up to this second line here. So in the beginning, it might suck in. You might hear a noise like That means it's gonna suck in. You're gonna see bubbles in here. If you see bubbles in here, like a tiny bubbles, that's just air. Don't worry about it. I don't want to leave this up on the top. So I am not gonna close this cap yet, because don't worry about it. What I want to do is go inside the vehicle with my gloves off. I want to start the steering. Start the steering up. I did change the back brakes on this while the car was. I was waiting on the parts, so I'm gonna pump the brake first. Perfect. Start the car up. You hear that noise? That's fine. Let's go all the way to right, all the way to left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And those bubbles are gonna take time, okay? Let this baby run for 20 minutes. So long as you let this thing run for 20 minutes idling, let's put a little bit more fluid. Okay, I spilled some, so I'm gonna have to wipe that down really fast. Before it goes down, there you go. So give it a good 20 minutes. Turn the steering all the way to right, all the way to the left, and after a few turns, just let it sit there, okay? And the bubbles will magically go away, the sound will go away, and you will be all set, okay? There you go. You see the bubbles are coming out? That's normal. They should go away after a while. Anyways, that is the only way to get rid of the bubbles, but give it some time for this vehicle.